Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, which is a reputed and prestigious medical college. And in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, CMC Vellore, Master of Public Health MPH course will be discussed. And for CMC Vellore, Master of Public Health course, eligibility criteria, course duration, available number of seats, course fee, entrance exam centers, and other important information regarding CMC Vellore MPH program will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like CMC Vellore, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, IIPH, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions, PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions, PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the information bulletin for Christian Medical College Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu. And this information bulletin, Allied Health Masters courses, is 2025 for 2026. Registration may start in February 2026 and entrance exam for stage 1 may be in May 2026. So when registration gets started, information will be given by RG Studio YouTube channel. Address is the Registrar Christian Medical College Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu, India, and phone numbers are given here. Regular working hours are Monday to Friday 8 am to 5 pm, Saturday 8 am to 12 noon. So in this video, important information regarding Master of Public Health MPH program will be given. Applications are invited for the MPH, MHA, MPH, fellowships and MSc programs commencing in August 2025. So here new session get started in August. Courses available, course code, course, educational eligibility, entrance exam, paper, available number of seats, open mandatory network, duration, fees approximate, admission year, other years. So here course name is MPH, Master of Public Health. Eligibility for the course is MBBS, BDS, Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences, BBSc, BSc Nursing, BPT, BOT, graduates of Ayush courses, Pharmacy and Engineering, postgraduate in Statistics, Biostatistics, Demography, Population Studies, Nutrition, Sociology, Economics, Psychology, Anthropology, Social Work, Management or Law. So these are the eligibility, educational eligibility qualification. Entrance exam paper is special. Number of seats for open category 7 and for mandatory network 8. Duration is 2 years. Course fee approximate for admission year, that is first year, 94,910. So fees for admission year is 94,910 and for other years, that is second year, 45,590. So this is the fees, and this is the information for educational eligibility qualification. Entrance exam paper, that is special. Available number of seats, that is open network 7 and mandatory network 8, and course duration is 2 years, and course fee 94,910 and 45,590. So for 2025 admissions, here registration get started on 11th February 2025. So for 2026 admissions, registration may start in February 2026. And step 1 computer based test was held in 12th of May 2025. So for 2026 admissions, step 1, that is computer based test, may be in May 2026. And application fee includes a basic administrative fee of rupees 1200 plus a registration fee of rupees 500 per course applied. So this is the registration fee information. So here admission process. First step 1 is computer based test. There will be a computer based test for all the courses as detailed in the admission timetable in section 2 on the date specified at the following cities. So these are the information for entrance based test. Step 1 entrance exam will be held in these cities: Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Chittoor, including Tirupati, Coimbatore, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Kolkata, Kollam, Kottayam, Krishnagiri, including Dharmapuri, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Puducherry, Ranipet, Salem, Thrissur, Thiruvananthamalai, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirunelveli, Tirupur, Vellore, including Ranipet, and Kanchipuram, Vijayawada, and Villupuram. So these are the cities where entrance exam for computer based test will be held. And in special paper, the test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to the speciality of for which the candidate has applied, 90 questions. So for Master of Public Health, there will be multiple choice questions related to public health. All the tests will be conducted in English. More information regarding the entrance test are given in an excerpt second titled Information on Computer Based Test. Announcement of step 1 result, list of step 2. So candidates who will qualify in step 1, they will be called for step 2. Being called for step 2 does not necessarily mean selection or acceptance of eligibility. Step 2 is special test and interviews. So in step 2, there will be special test and interviews. Step 2 of the selection process includes medical checkups, special test and interviews. The registration to step 2 of the selection process and a medical checkup will be held on the date mentioned in the admission timetable. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore Master of Public Health course has been given, and hostel fee for master courses, approximate hostel fee in rupees, one time match deposit 8,000, hostel annual fee 18,000. So these are the fee details. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore MPH program has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, MPH, MHA and other competitive exams like CUET, PG, AIMS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, CMC, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.